corona death toll continues to climb in LA County. Health officials today reporting 22 new fatalities.
COVID-19 testing becoming more available across Southern California. The new drive-through site that just opened today in Long Beach.
And officials urging residents to skip grocery shopping this week. A look at the new safety measures. Good afternoon, I'm Ellen Leyva.
And I'm Colleen Sullivan. We are live on ABC 7 and streaming live on abc7.com and on the ABC 7 Los Angeles app. We begin with a look at what's making headlines at this hour surrounding the coronavirus emergency. All Orange County jails now under full quarantine. This comes after more inmates tested positive for COVID-19.
New York State is reporting more than 730 new deaths today. That is the biggest single-day jump of the pandemic. This comes despite a fall in new hospital admissions.
And according to Johns Hopkins University, there have now been more than 1.4 million cases of coronavirus around the world. Here's a look at the latest numbers in our area. LA County now reporting more than 6,900 cases. Riverside County now reporting 1,016 cases. They just updated those numbers just a moment ago. Orange County has now surpassed 900. San Bernardino is reporting 530 and Ventura 226. The number of deaths in our area now up to 234. Eyewitness News reporter Annabelle Munoz is live with today's developments. Annabelle?
Hi, Colleen. Yeah, as we keep saying, this is a crucial week. And today, the LA County Public Health Director thanked everyone who was heeding that order to stay home and not leave unless it's absolutely necessary. Those numbers, as you just mentioned, continue climbing both locally and at a statewide level. Today, Governor Gavin Newsom says so far 15,865 people have tested positive for COVID-19 in California. And keep in mind that number is likely much higher due to limited testing. And on that note, governments continue to expand their capacity to test. Today, LA County Supervisor Ila Solis announced a drive-through testing site will be set up at East Los Angeles College by tomorrow. The county and the governor both acknowledged the inequity in access to testing, the need to address this problem and compile data. Now, as well, another message, as many churches are finding creative ways to celebrate Easter and Passover, Dr. Barbara Ferrer issued a stern warning that gatherings of any sort should not be happening.
I ask for now that you please cancel any planned gatherings, and this includes in-person gatherings as well as gatherings in cars. It's not really safe to do this, and we ask you to adhere to the Safer at Home order.
It is important to recognize that stress related to the pandemic that many are feeling right now, compounded by the economic distress due to lost wages, employment, and financial assets, plus school closures and sustained physical distancing, can trigger the biological stress response, which also has an impact on our health and well-being.
Now, you were just listening to California's Surgeon General today. Both the state and the county put a strong emphasis on mental health, on promoting hotlines that are available to provide assistance with everything from domestic violence, child abuse, emotional support for teenagers as well. You can find all of that information on both the county and the state's website. They have a lot of resources. Reporting live, Annabelle Munoz, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.
Annabelle, thank you. LA City Council is now considering programs to assist low-income residents and workers with their rent. The Emergency Renters Relief Program will help people pay rent once the emergency orders are lifted. This follows a motion last month to halt evictions for people unable to pay their rent. And the council is also considering an emergency lifeline jobs program. That program would help create sustainable jobs once this health crisis ends.
From the start of this crisis, testing or the lack of it has been a major problem both across the country and here in California. The city of Long Beach has a drive-through test site and it is up and running, but as our Sid Garcia reports, it is not available to everyone.
They were in line before the drive-up testing started at 10 this morning. All of them had an appointment. They signed in and were given their test kit. It didn't take that long, only a few minutes to sign in, administer the test, and give it to health department workers. It'll take 48 hours for the test results to come back. The city of Long Beach has its own health department. They're manning this site at Long Beach City College Pacific Coast campus on Orange Avenue. Here's who can set up an appointment for drive-up testing.
65 and older, and we're really looking for symptoms. We're trying to prioritize, there is still a shortage of testing, so we are prioritizing for 65 and older, those who are immunocompromised, healthcare workers, or if they've had an exposure to a confirmed case.
Now, to sign up for the drive-up testing here in the city of Long Beach, you go to the city's website or LA County's website to set up an appointment. As Long Beach Health Department workers collect the tests, the city reports it has 256 COVID-19 cases. 33 are hospitalized and 87 patients have been cleared. Sadly, there have been 5 deaths. The city has also set up what it calls a rapid assessment clinic on this campus. It's 2 tents. No appointment needed to be seen here for non-COVID-19 issues. You can also have prescriptions for medication refills. The Rapid Assessment Clinic is open from 10 to 6 every single day for as long as it's needed, and it's free. Reporting from Long Beach, I'm Sid Garcia, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.
If you think you need a test but do not have a doctor, call 211. That number will connect you with health services in your county.
LA County health officials urging people to stay home and even skip grocery shopping this week. Eyewitness News reporter Mark Cota-Robles has details on the new recommendations and some changes at grocery stores.
These new safety measures, as federal, state, and local health officials say the next week is going to be critical. They want us to stay home if possible, and that includes going to the grocery store. Today may mark one last stop to the grocery store for some families following new recommended guidelines to hunker down at home.
If you have enough supplies in your home, this would be the week to skip shopping altogether.
I try to be safe. I'm wearing my gloves, I'm wearing my mask, try to keep distance with the people.
Anna Gonzalez told us she's aware of the recommendations to stay home, but was out of food.
I don't really want to come to shop, but I have to. There's nothing I can do.
I've avoided being out on the weekends because I feel on the weekends it's a lot more jam-packed. Everybody is saying we've got a solid 3 weeks left back in captivity, as I call it. I'm really hoping they're wrong.
And as safety measures expand inside stores to prevent the spread of COVID-19, several chains have announced something we've never seen before. One-way aisles. Ralph's, Vons, and Walmart all confirming they'll either be testing or implementing the idea by the end of this week. While online shopping remains a recommended alternative, some shoppers say, given the demand, it's not so easy to use right now.
I love online shopping. Amazon and I are like best friends. However, everything in my cart is 2 to 3 weeks out.
Here at Ralph's, other safety measures already being implemented include plexiglass installed between the customer and the employee at the checkout line, and they are encouraging their employees to wear masks and gloves, anything to help flatten the curve. Reporting in Pasadena, Mark Cota-Robles, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.
Stay with Eyewitness News for continuing coverage of the coronavirus emergency. Well, the very latest on air, and you can find information anytime by going to abc7.com/coronavirus or by downloading the free ABC 7 Los Angeles app.